Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a version of the Rebel Within pastry, carbonara style. Look at that runny yolk. I've got my beautiful eggs from Pete and Gerry's here. I'm going to slowly drop my eggs in the water. So let these eggs run for 6 minutes to get that soft runny yolk. It's a lot easier to peel them too if you do it in the water and you start from the bottom of the egg. There's basically a little gap there that you can use to start peeling the egg. Once I get all of my eggs peeled, I go ahead and set them aside while I mix my muffin batter. The wet ingredients include eggs, melted butter and oil, and some full-fat sour cream. Then flour, sugar, baking soda, and baking powder. For the carbonara element, I add pecorino, parmesan, guanciale, and black pepper, and finish off with some chives before moving into a piping bag. To prevent my eggs from sinking, I like to roll them in a little bit of flour, and then I pipe a little bit of the batter into the bottom of the muffin tin. And I'm going to gently place each egg in the center of the batter. Swirl it around the top. Then I use a damp finger to close any vents, cover with cheese, and bake at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay. Oozy yolks. At Craftsman Wolves, they typically serve it with a little tube of pink Himalayan salt, so I'm just going to sprinkle a tad bit. You can check out the full recipe on my website.